Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your PIN in Facebook Messenger. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and write your comments. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to open the Facebook Messenger application. Next, at the top, we're going to click on the three bars to go to the settings menu. And here we'll click on the gear to go to settings. Next, we're going to select privacy and security. Here we choose end-to-end encrypted charts. This is what it looks like right here. And next we choose secure storage. You need to make sure you have that enabled. And now when we go into it, in order to change the PIN, you'll need to click Reset PIN. And now you'll be able to create your 6-digit PIN code. And then you'll need to confirm it. After that, you have to wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it says to me that the PIN code has been changed. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and give me your likes, and see you soon, friends.